Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the video lesson, we are going to learn how to do the navigation in Onshape. When we talk about doing navigation in Onshape, we focus on three important things. The first one is how to rotate the viewport, and the second is how to pan the viewport, and the third is how to zoom in, zoom out the viewport. To rotate the viewport, click the right mouse button and drag to define the angle that you want to see the object on the viewport, and then release the mouse. By the way, you can also use the arrow key to rotate the viewport. You can also use the left or right, up or down arrow key to rotate the viewport. To zoom in, zoom out the viewport, just scroll the wheel mouse upward to zoom in and scroll the wheel mouse backward to zoom out. To pan the viewport, click the wheel mouse, hold it, and then move the mouse. After that, release the mouse. To make the viewport fit on the screen, just click on F key on the keyboard, so it will fit the viewport fit on the screen. So please don't forget to click subscribe if you want to get more video about Onshape tutorial. Thank you for watching.